Hello, I'm going to make a short example using Java to use if statements that make a decision. If something is true, then do one condition, else if another condition is true, do a second option, and else otherwise do a third option. I have it set up here where it asks for age for input, and this should be an integer, and I'll do integer dot parse int. That will convert the input into a type integer. It needs to be an integer if you want to compare ages, something greater or less than numbers. It needs to be comparing numbers. So an if statement is set up if brackets. Inside the brackets, some condition that is either true or false. I could say if age is less than 13, then these an open squiggly and a closed squiggly brackets. These squiggly brackets group the commands that happen if this is true. So I'm going to output child. And then I'm going to do an else if a second condition, age is less than 18. So inside these brackets is a second condition. So if this first condition isn't true, else if the second condition is true, then it's going to output teen. And if I want everything else to be a final category, I can output that. So between these brackets, if this condition is false and this condition is false, then it will come down and do this. So let's see how it works. Age, if I say 5, it should say child. If I say 15, this is false. Age is not less than 13, so it skips this one. It goes down if age is less than 18. This one is true, so it says teen. And I'll say 20. So the first condition is false, it skips it. Else if this one's false, so it skips it. And then else it prints off adult. So there's an example of the if statement with else if and else.